scattered through my history.
Hey, please, just sing along and I'll be happy. Poland. I'll be taking a trip to Poland. What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So the reason why I'll be checking out this music in the Poland country, it's because these music doesn't really plays that much in my island of Jamaica. No, I'm not that omnipresent, so I'm not really sure if people in my country literally mess with this music. But either way, I'm not really sure in my circle. I'm not really sure if this music is being played, so I can only speak for myself. No, the reason why I'll be doing this reaction to this specific country, it's because I want to learn more about the culture. I want to learn more about the artists there. I want to learn more about the performance. Whichever it seems to be referring to, this is the reason why this reaction is happening now. So if you guys do have any awareness about Bob Marley, well, this is the country Bob Marley was from. Without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well the Poland music really takes a toll on me. So I'll see you there. Peace. Luna, The Power, Poland, official music video, Eurovision 2024. Let's go, guys.
Looking for a miracle, waiting for a sun to catch me. Gotta find a way back home.
I gotta say, this sounds good though. Her voice sounds really good. Thus far, I love it thus far.
Alone, alone, alone. Hoping for a star to fall. Something I can make a wish on. Could it be that I'm the fool? But
Guys, her voice is quite smooth. If you ask me, I love the lyrics of the song. I love the entire videography style. This is unique. It is unique in its own simple way. I gotta say, the people in Poland seems quite amazing. Seems quite amazing to me. I love how they just look so little and neat. I gotta say, respect.
we all broken bodies scattered through my history. Lonely hours leading to my destiny.
Wow, I gotta say, these women look fabulous. I love how these women dress in white. So I guess it's something that they have to do whenever time they're doing music or something like that. Please educate me, guys. I want to know. So this is the reason why I'll be doing this reaction, because I want to learn more about every country that I could learn about. So please educate me, guys. I would love for you guys to educate me on this situation here.
I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who holds the power. So come on and rise up, shout it louder. I'm the one who built the tower.
Her voice is magnificent, right? Oh my god, guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Shining in a tiger's eyes. Only I can find my future. Reading in between the lines. So drew my own, my own, my own.
This music is giving me like a 1975 vibe, like, or the instrumental that is in playing, it's giving me that vibe, bro. I love it. It is just so relaxing and calm. and so peaceful.
Running down the waterfall, always tried to chase a rainbow and never found a pot of gold. Below, below, below. Broken bodies scattered through my history.
Whoa! Oh man, okay, I gotta say, I respect this Poland music, right? Every country have different music. And once we heard music from another country, I have to respect it. Because people literally sing what they're experiencing in life. And if I could hear this beautiful song here in the Poland country, I have to say, superb job. Very good. I love it. Really love it. They are just unique in their own little way, guys, to be honest.
Lonely hours leading to my destiny. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who holds the power. So come on the rise up, shout it louder. I'm the one who built the tower.
I love how they are just energetic and beautiful. I love the vibe. I love the energy. Right? I love the voice. Right? It is just what a full package music video would really need. Right? Especially from a country that I'm not aware of. And I'm pretty sure that you guys have earned a fan from Jamaica because of your awesomeness.
Built it. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built the tower. Broken bodies scattered through my history.
Hey, 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 please just sing along and I'll be happy to listen.
Lonely hours leading to my destiny. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who holds the power. So come on the rise up, shout it louder. I'm the one who built the tower.
Beautiful singing, amazing singing. This singing is so properly done. It's a solid thing for me, to be honest.
I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built it. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who built the tower. I'm the one who holds the power. So come on the rise up, shout it louder. I'm the one who built the tower.
I love the concept of the video. It is just so perfect, right? The concept is very amazing, right? I love how they're just there playing chess. Chess is not my favorite game. To be honest, I don't know if I can play that game ever because I'm not really that type of guy. But to see two-person here playing this game and it is just so properly played, it's a checkmate. It's a checkmate. This was a very beautiful one. I gotta say, I enjoyed the performance. If you guys did enjoy this performance, please state your next suggestion that I should check out next for Miss Luna here. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.